Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make gravy to eat with biryani. Start by finely slicing 2 large onions and simmering them until deep golden for sweet depth. Add crushed garlic, ginger, and pureed tomatoes, then toast spices briefly to bloom their aroma. Stir in stock or water to reach a sauce that will cling to rice, season to taste, and finish with fresh cilantro or mint for brightness. Measure ingredients before you start to keep the process smooth and friendly. Use whole spices like bay leaf, cinnamon, and cardamom for depth, and keep ground spices ready for quick seasoning. For a richer gravy, whisk in a spoon of yogurt or a splash of cream at low heat. Taste as you go, adjusting salt and acid with lemon juice or tamarind to lift the flavors. Begin by heating oil and gently caramelizing onions until they reach a deep amber color, which builds the gravy's backbone. Add toasted whole spices, followed by garlic and ginger, then stir in tomato and simmer until the sauce melts. Lower heat and mix in a little stock to reach desired thickness, tasting and balancing salt and acid. Finish with chopped herbs to add fresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.